At a glance, the iPhone 16 Pro Max doesn't look or feel much different from the preceded it, and perhaps that's not to be expected. The competitive game of smartphones is now one of inches. The question is, can the small or even invisible changes add up to something big? In the early going with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, I would say the answer is yes. Finally, there's the look of this phone. As I mentioned above, I got to touch the titanium black. It is a gorgeous device and I really can't understand why you would want any other color. But if you are so inclined, it's available in white, natural and new desert titanium. Is this the best iPhone Apple has ever made? Possibly, it will certainly claim a spot near the top of our best iPhone list and maybe even best smartphones. I will offer my definitive take when I finish my full review. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.